Take a deep breath and remind yourself you are exactly where you need to be. Yoga is not about touching your toes. It's about connecting your mind, body, and soul. Every inhale brings peace. Every exhale releases stress. When you step on the mat, you step away from all worries. It doesn't matter if you're a beginner or advanced. What matters is showing up for yourself every day. Some days your body feels strong. Some days it feels tired. And that's okay. Because yoga teaches us patience, balance, and self-love. With every stretch, you grow stronger. With every breath, you become calmer. So today, just move with love, breathe with awareness, and remember, progress is not about perfection, it's about persistence. Keep flowing, keep glowing, and trust the journey. This is your moment. This is Vibe Flow Yoga.